defensively. But Harold, regarding the infield fly rule play, you made your living as a middle infielder. Tell us what happened there.
Well, there's two things. As a middle infielder, you know when an infield rule play could possibly happen. First and second, less than 2 outs. If you can get underneath the ball, then you're going to be able to get that call. That means the batter is going to be out and the runners advance on their own risk. That's what's in question here. Let's go to the breakdown, and I'll explain this as we go through it. Now, you got Simmons here in the 8th inning, hits the pop fly. The shortstop's going back. Now, a lot of people are saying, how come the umpire didn't call it immediately? The umpire's job is to make sure that ball gets to its highest peak, and then he makes the call. So right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 umpires you're going to see. And what are they all doing? They're looking at the baseball. They got to determine, is it going to be at its peak? He's still going out, and the shortstop is going to drift. Nobody's calling infield fly because he's still drifting. And they're looking at the ball. Is it at its peak? When it finally gets to its peak, what's the umpire now do? He looks at the shortstop to see now his job, is he under control? Watch him drift, drift, drift. He gets to a point. Now he turns. He shows the umpire, I'm under control. The umpire immediately raises his hand, but at the same time, this ball's falling fast. Okay? Now, when the ball falls, by the time on TV, everybody, oh, he called it so late. He's already recognized it. He's called it, and look how close this lands to him. You don't believe me? We trace his footsteps, okay? Now, watch where he's at when he stops to come forward. The ball lands right next to him. That's a reasonable, under control catch in the outfield. That's why I'm saying the umpire's got it right. Now, it happens all year long. Let's go back. May 16th in Chicago. Starlin Castro goes back. He drifts. He makes a play. Now, I want you to recognize 2 things. One, he waves. He says, I got it. The umpire, his arm is not giving it to him yet. No, he's still waving. He still has not given him the sign for infield fly rule until the ball is what? At its peak, and he's under control. Now he's under control. He gives him the infield fly rule. You have to show that you are reasonably under control, and you can go out as far as you can, and the part of the rule says, even if an outfielder is standing underneath him and he says and shows that the infielder is next to me and the outfielder can catch it, it's still the infield fly rule. That's why I think the umpire's got it right. To me, as soon as it happened, there was no argument in my mind. But I know a lot of people did. But I've had that happen ton and ton of times playing the infield.
Okay, and